Hi guys, welcome to another video of Incorporate Fitness, and today we are covering a very important topic. It's about women and fitness. These two has to go together. Yes, we have 70% of our clientele across Chennai and Bangalore as women, and you would know how important it is to address this. Our country has quite a few women who are not privileged enough to reach out for fitness into the gyms, or have a trainer at home, or have corporate training like what we do for home corporate training, and we have a unisex fitness center. So this is something not many women are privileged to do. Well, while we do that, we have to see that we have to cover a lot of things. When we do that, like starting from their birth till the end of their life, they have different stages which they pass through, and the men have to understand the women go through a lot of hormonal changes throughout their life, starting from their puberty, somewhere around 13 to 15 to 16, around that time, the teens. They reach their puberty and their menstrual cycle starts. Every month there is an issue where they have the menstrual cycle coming, and you need to accommodate a lot of, and every woman, the menstrual process is completely different. For some it pains, it cramps, and for someone else it doesn't even pinch a bit. So don't even think you know about it when you don't, because it's a lot different for women to women. I know a lot of people don't like to talk about this. We in India, we think that it's a natural process. So why don't we talk about it? Now, during the menstrual cycle, they have severe cramps and they lose a lot of blood, and they need a lot of workout, whether be it stretch, be it so that one, it elevates their mood, the serotonin makes them happy. One, and if you're increasing the testosterone level, they're going to bear the pain much better than usual. So you need to have the workouts being consistent there, and that way it is easier for them to go through that period or phase of time. Right now, that's one. Okay, when they become from puberty, they move into their marriageable age, the adolescence, where they get into their uterus is becoming stronger to bear a baby and all that. It becomes hormonal changes, which kicks in really hard. PCOS, that is polycystic ovary syndrome and polycystic ovary disease. Both of these kicks in really hard, and it is really tough on them, and they put on weight, and their insulin resistance go down. It is a very tough time where people go through. We have a lot of experts talking about it, including nutrition. I'm connected to one of them. Shaiju speaks a lot about the nutrition bit of it, where what you should eat during these kind of situation, where completely the ovulation or the PCOS changes, right? So listen to her as well. So nutrition expert, the fitness expert. Now the fitness expert, what people like me can do to help you out is, at Incorporate Fitness we do a certain type of interval training and strength training and conditioning. We do it with equipment, without equipment. Either way, we support workout, whether it's online, offline, or you coming here at our center, or we send trainers to your residence. At the end of the day, it's workout. You need to continue that. So for PCOS, you're going to have a lot of workout. Now, the next stage after that is when the women reaches their end of the menstrual cycle, right? So where the menopause starts. It's a very difficult phase. I have been through a lot of women who we support it. We have one of my closest friends, some of them here who you see in the video are hitting that stage where they are hitting the menopause, and it has gone smooth because they work out and they haven't got any osteoporosis which comes along with the menopause, where it's that time of the age where you see that the bone becomes brittle and it becomes a little easier to have fractures and a lot of brittle bone conditions. So strength training, weight training, resistance training is the way out, and it helps when you do that. So that stage of life. And the next is aging, right? So as you age, the osteoporosis condition can hit you anytime there as well. And as you age, the sarcopenia is much higher in women than men, because men carry a lot of muscle mass and that helps them to keep it a little bit, whereas women lose muscle mass, the tendency to put on fat is much higher, and that tends to lean a little bit if they don't exercise. Now, you've seen that from the childhood till aging, what all they go through, right? Now, what we do is we deprive them of a good fitness, or we tell that they're working out in the center or at home, they're working their regular work like cooking, cleaning. Is that what they meant to do? They're just like us, right? They're just like us. They need to be. Please let them do their workout and get them to do workouts like you, or take them along with you where you do, or get a trainer. We will send you one, or there are a lot of companies across Chennai which does that, so you can contact one of them and get the training done. So there are quite a bit, and you can even have centers like unisex gyms like us, which is already a lot in Chennai now. So you can start with it. Chennai and Bangalore, we service a lot of people at home, so we send that as well. Now, again, don't deprive them, saying that the work which they do. And women, please don't take it that what you do at home is the workout you should need. You need far beyond that. You need to work out a lot. Now, one of the proudest moments in this year which we had is two women beating the Pakistani, or our neighbors, outright done, right? Two army women just did Kurushi. So it is a pride. So Operation Sindoor was a pride for our country, and how our women acted on things which our country needs. Our contribution to the country is making them fit. We should get out of being a diabetic capital of the world or cardiac disease capital of the world. We should be able to get out of it. That's the contribution from me and Incorporate Fitness and my trainers here. And rest assured, we will do the best to do this. And we dedicate this video and all the efforts which we put in across Incorporate Fitness in Chennai and Bangalore to the women who gave us a lot of pride. And being our mothers, sisters, daughters, mother-in-law, sisters, name it, all the roles they play. Alright? Wife, I guess, my best friend. A lot of things. They've been all that for us, and that's what we need to support. Men, please support them. Get the right things for them. That's what you can give at the first. Now, I missed one part, which is the most important part of the women, the motherhood. So there is two parts of motherhood, the prenatal workout and the postnatal workout. The prenatal workout is the workout before pregnancy, and the postnatal workout is post-pregnancy, and that will do a lot great for the women's health throughout. So add that also in that list, because they are our mothers, no matter what. They are the ones who got us here, right? So watch our videos too, then send it to the women who deserve to watch this, and send it to the men who need to support the women as well. So take it to all of them and let us know what you need we will do it here for you. You can watch it on the video and try it. If you have doubts, you can call me anytime. You have a WhatsApp number, you have a WhatsApp messaging group, so you can call me, get in touch on Instagram as well. So please do that, and we will get all the support for you. Thank you, and have a great day.